Welcome back to my channel, It's Fairy Tale Life. Today we are making magical Disney-inspired wreaths for fall. And then I'm just talking about my Dollar Tree haul and all the things that I found for super cheap that are adorable and beautiful and great for fall decor and for this project. So stick with me. Let's make this together. Let's make something beautiful that doesn't cost $80. Here is my Dollar Tree haul. I got some really good stuff. This I love because it was so cheap. I mean, this stuff is expensive at Michael's, so it's wired jute cord. It's not as thick as the ones you get at Michael's, but I have to say, if I wire it like twice or wrap it with another material, this should hold really good. I like to do like my mini ears with that kind of stuff usually. This tinsel, I thought this was really nice. Just to use to tie things on to the wreath. So I'll be like cutting this in half and using these as tie-ons for this wreath form. So they had a bunch of these. They were just $1. And these are great because they've got all these wires that you can that are real thick and strong. And you can just weave in some of your stems like this straight in and really tuck it in strong and then secure it with this pipe cleaner stuff. These were amazing, but also really hard to get a hold of, I think, because they're so popular. So it's basically just like a pumpkin stab that you could put in a wreath or even in plants and stuff, but they're so pretty and so strong. It's a really strong, sturdy pumpkin. I love these. So if you can find them, get them quick. They also had yarn that was just $1. So I kind of want to do some mini ears with these on the wreath. That's what I'm thinking. So we're just brainstorming right now. This was great. I love this burlap for a big bow. It's just so pretty for fall. I could only snag one of these. I went to kind of a smaller Dollar Tree, but a bigger one would have had, I'm sure, a whole bunch of these, and they're gorgeous with this sheen to the velveteen. These could even just be one or a couple on a wreath. But my favorite find was this. So this is a stem with the fall leaves. It has little clusters of things, and then these gorgeous little very soft pink, orangey Cinderella pumpkins inside. That's what sold it to me. So I plan to kind of just place these all around in a circle on the wreath. I also really liked these stems, which have a little burlap floral design in the middle, because I really don't like just silk flowers. I think they look really fake and gross. But when they have a little texture to them or a little bit of that burlap in there, then I can kind of see using that. And then again, because this had the cute little pumpkins in there, that's really attractive, I feel like. So that is my haul. So let's do it. We can absolutely make an expensive wreath at home, no problem. Do not forget, I really want this channel to be interactive. So I want to see pictures of what you're doing in the comments, please. Right now I have 3 on, and I'm just gonna put this one down here. And I'm just gonna push it through the wire here. I wanna make sure to pull it down as far as I can so that I'm not like bunching them all up. Space them out good. Make sure I'm hiding like the other wires. But I also don't want to be wasteful with the materials and have to use a bunch of these stems just to get around in a circle. So then just taking the pipe cleaner, feeding it through, and tying it to the back. Like that. So I always finish my wreaths even on the back side. So I chose these cute pipe cleaners in case they show in the front. That's why they're orange and sparkly. But the back, that's gonna bug me. So can you see that? It looks very unfinished. So not only am I gonna use the burlap ribbon for a bow, I'm also gonna use that across the back. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of like hot glue it to the back all the way around. Anyway, just to cover up the wire. Getting there. We're getting there, folks. I'm gonna do one more, and then I'll have it completely covered. Now, honestly, if you were to buy this retail, you could be paying like $80. So getting these materials at the Dollar Tree for as cheaply as you can and making it yourself is really the way to go. Ta-da! Yay! Here it is, guys. It's looking really pretty. Again, see those pretty pumpkins on there? Once you get everything placed and it's all secure in the wreath, then I start kind of tweaking it to make sure no wires are showing. I'm going to move the leaves around. I might even hot glue them together to make sure that they don't show, because I don't want to see the wreath frame underneath. So I just put in the burlap silk flowers on the sides. Just kind of like popping one of these in. And I'm not gonna lie, but that is really nice, giving it more texture and other designs and other styles of flowers. So I'm definitely gonna weave those in. I like the way that looks. is it, folks. So I really hope you've enjoyed making this mini wreath with me. Thank you for spending the time to do a fun DIY wreath for fall. And it has a little Disney magic, a little bit of extra magical flair with those mini ears, which makes me super happy. One thing to note is I think this cost about roughly $22 to $25. It's homemade. It has its own unique style, and it's very fall and very fun. I feel like it's definitely worth $25 and all the time that went into it and all the love and care that went into it. I certainly hope you were inspired today by all of these beautiful wreaths and the magic we put into them and all the fun finds from the Dollar Tree. Please subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying following along and living your magical life with us. Hit the bell button so you'll be informed when I have a new video. And head over to Instagram because I'm on there daily sharing magical tips, sharing memories from the parks, and all kinds of fun things happening at the parks or anything Disney themed. Head on over there. I'm there all the time. I also have a fairy tale blog, and I am doing all of my mom life content on there, all things crafty, DIY projects, and Disney, and traveling with your family. Family fun. So join all those things. All the links are below. Come along for the ride. And I hope I'm helping you live your fairy tale life with your family.